So if you guys are going to do the team draw live, $448. Alright, Angels on top, Yankees on bottom, 448. 2 dice. 4 around here. You can go 9 times, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Padres on top, Red Sox on bottom, 448. We're done. $449. Thanks.